All right, let's get right into it. Today, we are talking about something that is, quite frankly, a game changer. Building a digital system that literally earns money for you around the clock. This isn't about working harder, not at all. It's about building smarter, so your income is finally disconnected from the hours you put in.
Does this feel a little too familiar? That feeling of being on a treadmill, constantly trading your precious time for a paycheck. It's the default path for almost everyone. But what if, just what if, you could actually break that cycle? What if you could build something one time and have it work for you, generating value even while you're sleeping? Well, that's exactly what we're going to break down today.
You see, we're in the middle of this huge mindset shift. The old way of thinking about passive income, it always required a ton of capital. You needed a big pile of cash for real estate, for stocks. Basically, you needed money to make money. But the new way? It's completely different. It's not about capital, it's about a process. It's about having the right tools and a smart system, not a fat bank account. So, what is this magical system? Well, let me introduce you to your AI income engine. The idea here is so simple, but it's absolutely revolutionary. You build it once, and then you just let it run. Forever. Generating value, generating income, all on autopilot. Now, this engine really has two core parts. First up, you've got AI. This is your value creator. Seriously, think of it as the creative genius in your corner. It's the part of the engine that actually makes your digital assets. We're talking blog posts, social media designs, video scripts, heck, even entire digital products. And if AI is the creator, the second part, automation, is your value deliverer. This is the tireless workhorse of your engine. It's the part that handles all of those repetitive, boring tasks you'd normally have to grind through yourself. Posting the content, sending the emails, processing the sales, and delivering the goods to the customer. It does all of that for you automatically. Now, I know this can sound a bit technical, but check this out. This table really breaks it down and makes it simple. Don't worry about the jargon. Just think of these tools as your new digital employees. You've got ChatGPT, which is basically your writer and strategist. Midjourney, that's your in-house designer and artist. Then there's Zapier, which is kind of like your automated dispatcher, connecting all the pieces so they talk to each other. And finally, Gumroad is your 24/7 cashier, handling all the payments without you lifting a finger. Okay, so now you know what the engine is, you know the tools that power it. Let's get to the best part, the how. This is where it gets really practical. Let's walk through the 5-step blueprint. This is your repeatable framework for building your very own engine from the ground up. And here it is, the whole blueprint laid out. As you can see, it's a super clear path. Step 1, you got to pick a topic that actually sells, something people are already searching for online. Step 2, you let the AI build the asset, the actual content or product. Step 3 is where the magic happens. You automate the entire workflow so it runs without you. Step 4, you use AI again to drive traffic to your stuff, automatically. And then step 5, the fun part, you just monitor what's working and multiply your success. So you've got the blueprint, but what does this stuff actually look like out there on the real world? Let's make this tangible and look at some AI-powered income in action. What does this engine actually build? The possibilities here are just, wow, they're so versatile. For instance, you could have a blog that's totally automated, where AI writes articles with affiliate links that earn commissions day and night. Or how about one of those faceless YouTube channels? AI can write the scripts, create the visuals, the whole thing runs while you're off doing something else. You can even create little micro SaaS tools or automated newsletters that send out curated content. And of course, there are the classic digital products, ebooks, templates, guides, all generated by your engine in a tiny fraction of the time it would normally take. This quote right here just nails it. This isn't magic, it's strategy plus tech. And that is the absolute core of this whole idea. The income engine really truly starts humming the moment you stop doing everything manually. It's all about building the system first, and then stepping back and trusting it to do its job. Okay, you get the concept. You've seen the blueprint, and you know it's not just possible, people are doing it right now. So what's your first step forward? How do you actually get your own engine started today? Honestly, it is so much simpler than you think. The single most important part of this whole thing, it's just to start. Seriously, don't worry about making it perfect. Just build the first, ugliest, simplest version of your engine. That initial momentum, that's everything. So I'm going to leave you with this final thought. Your system can work for you around the clock. It never gets tired, it never calls in sick, it just keeps creating and delivering value while you focus on, well, whatever you want. So the real question is, are you ready to build it?
If you're nodding your head right now and you want to totally shortcut your learning curve, you can grab a free masterclass that walks you through the entire system. Just head over to www.homebizsimple.com.